friends, welcome back to Royal Appleberry. I am Kenny the Messy Soaper, and today I am making a soap that that's going to be very similar to last week's soap. I don't know why, I'm just filling this 3-color mica gold mica in between, so that's what we're going to do. This is going to be white. This is orange sunset. Nope, this is sunset peach mixed with neon orange. This is brown oxide. This is going to be TD. Fragrance we're using today is white pumpkin and lilac from Rustic Escentuals. Now, this fragrance smells amazing. I know I say that about a lot of fragrances, but it does. And other soapers have used it, and I've actually purchased it, oddly enough. I purchased it from another soaper because her soap was just so beautiful. I had to. I don't even think she's still making soap anymore, but that's why I wanted to get it, because she made extraordinary soaps. And this fragrance is amazing. I was just waiting for the right design that came to mind, and this kind of does. And I just remembered that I am going to put some, what are these? Tiger lilies on top. I think it may not stick, it may. So already in here I have my milks and clays mixed in. I'm going to mix in a little bit more, and then we're going to get our lye water in. We're going to get this soap rolling. Alright, so lye's all mixed in, and again, I don't really care about portions. I'm just eyeballing it. I just know what order I'm going to go in. It's going to be brown gold mica line, orange gold mica line, white. Alrighty, and so I'm going to go ahead and put my TD in here. I'm using dry TD. I don't want to use with water. And this fragrance does have a bit of vanillin in it. It's less than 1%, but I know that seems like a lot. Alright, so I got my fragrance in. And don't be fooled by the name of this fragrance. This fragrance is very high-end smelling. It's not, the lilac is very, very light. It really is very light. As you can see, it's kind of a bright color in here. Hopefully, like I said, I don't think it's going to darken too much just because it didn't in the soap that I purchased. But one never knows. But you can smell pumpkin. It's just a beautiful mixture of pumpkin, a very light floral touch. Like I said, the lilac is not super strong in it. And there is vanilla in it as well. You can smell the vanilla in here. So just imagine pumpkin vanilla. It's pretty lovely. But it's not that spicy pumpkin. Although I do love a spiced pumpkin. But it doesn't smell that way to me. So I'm going to go ahead and scrape the bottoms of these cups. Okay, just as I was stirring this up, I came up with an idea. Now my orange and my white are thickening up faster than my brown. Why is that? I don't know, but I want my brown to go ahead and thicken up. Well, it is starting to, because I want to get that mica line down, and I want it to be able to support the next layer. So what I decided I'm going to do is pour some of this brown in here in the white. So I'm gonna, it's not gonna be a lot, just a little bit of a wisp. So I think, yeah, right there. And then this is what I'm gonna put in there, which I'm gonna do right now. So if it thickens up, I can get it down in there. And just pour it into the mold. Alright, I don't want these tops to be super neat. I'm not really concerned about them being neat. And that's, I think, oh, that scared me. That's all that I'm going to do. Yeah, this is over here really misbehaving. But it's okay. As long as I can get it in there before it gets too crazy thick, that's fine. Actually, I need like a little spoon or I'll take this knife, because I don't want this perfect. Grab up some of that gold and get it in the crevices. Okay, I think that's good. Oh, that little plop right there, that's not good. Get to go down in the mold. Then I'm going to take my little puffer and spread some of this gold around, because I don't want it too heavy in spots, because you have it too heavy in spots, your soap will break apart. Okay, so now I'll get this orange down because it is getting crazy thick over here. It is so funny, things I don't want to get thick, oh, they get thick, and then things I do want to get thick won't. Funny, that's just been my whole soaping week. It really has. But it's okay, because you guys know how I roll. I fear not of the soap. I really don't. I don't pay these soaps any mind when they want to thicken up on me and try to get crazy. I got everything slammed down into this mold the way I want it. I don't know what I want my top to look like, so I'm just kind of little bits of brown, looks like chocolate chips in this soap, because it thickened up way more than my white, which is weird because it has TD in it, but that's okay. I was wondering, like, why the last 17 soaps I've made were kind of short. I forgot I did a bigger water discount, so that's why these are a bit shorter than what I normally make. I think this is gonna turn out nice. I know I should have did this off camera because I can do this all day, like seriously, but I won't. I'm just trying to get this top looking like something that I like. Okay, I think that might be it. And then I'll clean up the sides, and just because I love that dry mica, I'm gonna put a little bit of dry mica on top, and then my flowers. And I'm not gonna go crazy with the flowers because this soap, although it does have a hint of floral in it, it can definitely be unisex. And I know I said I was gonna leave this alone, but I just lied to y'all. I did. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, so now let me take off these gloves. Whew, that's the best part of soap making to me. Well, no, soap making is the best part, but taking off those gloves, I love in the end. Taking also off those gloves, but those gloves do get hot. Okay, so just a little bit. I don't want anything crazy. Okay, now that I have this on, I feel like I can probably leave this alone. I was going to try to smooth out the sides even more, but I'm just making it worse. But I am going to press these flowers in just a little bit. I've decided at the very last minute that this soap needs something else. And I told you guys before, like poppy seeds, this is just under a pound. You see that? Just under a pound of poppy seeds, and I got it for $4.91. Frequent your markets, your local ethnic markets, because trust me, you'll find some good prices there. So I've decided that this soap needs a little bit of poppy seeds to just warm things up just a little bit more. I feel like this just really ties it in with that warm fall feeling that I'm going for. Oh yes, that's lovely. See, just that little dash just made a huge difference. All right, now I'm going to take you guys off the tripod and show you up close. Okay, so this is how she's looking up close. I really do love the way that looks. Super duper pretty. And I noticed, because I did thicken up my orange, I'll show you the sides. That's my sides. I am going to have a few little blowholes in the orange section on the sides, but I don't think it's going to be anything crazy. I got one here, 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 and here. And I did bang it down, but not worry. I do love the way that looks, like a whole lot. So I might just make that my thumbnail. Alright guys, stay tuned because the cutting is coming up next. So basically, I literally just unmolded this soap. It does have quite a few blowholes on the sides. I don't know if that's going to carry all the way through, but I love these colors. And I like the fact that it didn't darken too much. So this is nice. I love this creamy tannish color. So I might not cut the whole thing right now. I'm just going to see what it's going to do. And I'm actually going to turn this around and start the other way. Okay, let's start that way. And this smells amazeballs, like for reals. It smells really, really good, guys. Why am I whispering? I have no clue. But it does smell super duper. Even Gabe came down because it lost the lilac smell. It smells like pumpkin. It's really nice. There, you can tell there's a floral note in there somewhere, but is that pumpkin? Yeah, white pumpkin, lilac. Yeah. It lost that bit of floral to me personally, but it's very nice, very nice. It is not a spiced pumpkin, like I said. I love a spiced pumpkin, I really do, but this was not a spiced pumpkin. You know, me and my cuts, I tell you. All right, so oh well. And I probably should be cutting this on this side just because it has botanicals in it. Yep, we're gonna turn that on this side. Look at that. It's got myself a nice old drag mark, but that's lovely. I do like that a lot. That's a cool looking soap. Let's get this on this side before we go mucking up some stuff. That's better. And of course, I can't see, so I am going to turn it around. This will be my first time ever cutting a soap like this. This is so awkward. But I want to see my spacing because I thought I had it down pat. Boy, was I wrong. Maybe I should just start on this end then. And if you haven't subscribed already, what you waiting on? What you waiting on? Become a part of this SAC, which is my Stinking Awesome crew. Is absolutely free. We would love to have you. Definitely so, because we have fun over here. We really do. And if you want to get notified of whenever I post new videos, all you have to do is hit that bell and then come on right over here. Now that's just weird. So that was a blowhole there. Yeah, this fragrance just kind of sped up on me out of nowhere because, as you guys saw, I hand stirred this in. I didn't even stick with it. But I'm not fretting at all. It still turned out lovely. And it's nice and firm. And I made this It's not even been 12 hours. No. No, that's a lie. What time did I make this soap? I made it, it's not been 24 hours. I've not made it, it's not, you know. Anyway, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Look at that. That is so strange, but that's okay because this is nice. And honestly, like, and I could just be psyching myself up, but I think like these actually give it a little bit of character. What do you guys think? So today's poll question, if you want to take the poll, you can click the I in the upper right hand corner. If my phone don't shut up, it's going to keep talking. But anyway, do you mind blowholes? So, one second, guys. But yeah, so today's poll question is, do you mind blowholes in your soap? This one, normally I get super annoyed by them, but I don't mind these. And I got this little piece here and I can fill them in, but I'm on the fence if I'm even gonna bother, just because I don't mind the way that looks at all. Alright guys, so love, hugs, and kisses. Be awesome, amazing, everything you do. Again, I am Kenny the Messy Soaper. Thank you for sticking around. For those of you who are always here, I appreciate you tuning in every single week to watch me make soap. And for those of you who are new, I appreciate you hanging out with me just to see what I'm about. So, love, hugs, and kisses until next week. See you guys next soap making video. Okay, bye.